Bubblegum is made using a mixture of base ingredients that give it its unique texture, taste, and chewiness. The key components are gum base, the primary ingredient that provides the elasticity and chewiness. Gum base can be made from natural tree resins, such as chicle, or synthetic materials like polymers, elastomers, and paraffin wax. Modern gum bases are often synthetic due to cost efficiency and consistency. Sweeteners. These are added to give bubblegum its sweet flavor. Common sweeteners include sugar, glucose syrup, corn syrup, or artificial sweeteners like aspartame and xylitol. Artificial sweeteners are often used in sugar-free gum to cater to health-conscious consumers. Flavorings. Bubblegum gets its iconic taste from a combination of fruity and minty flavorings, which are often a blend of strawberry, banana, cherry, and sometimes hints of vanilla or cinnamon. Softening agents. Ingredients like glycerin or vegetable oil keep the gum soft and pliable, ensuring it maintains its chewiness over time. Coloring agents. Food-grade dyes give bubblegum its bright and appealing colors, most commonly pink, though other colors like blue, green, and yellow are also popular. The process begins with the preparation of the gum base, which is the foundation of bubblegum. Whether natural or synthetic, the gum base must be processed to achieve the right texture and consistency. Steps: melting. The gum base is delivered to the factory in solid blocks and is melted in large, temperature-controlled kettles or mixers. This heating process liquefies the base, making it easier to work with. Filtering. The melted base is filtered to remove impurities, ensuring the final product is smooth and free from unwanted particles. Pre-cooling. After filtering, the liquid gum base is cooled slightly to prepare it for mixing with the other ingredients. The base remains warm enough to stay pliable, but not so hot that it interferes with the mixing process. Once the gum base is prepared, it is combined with the other ingredients to form the final bubblegum mixture. Mixing is a critical step, as it ensures that the ingredients are evenly distributed throughout the gum. Steps: adding ingredients. The melted gum base is poured into a large industrial mixer. Sweeteners like sugar or corn syrup are added gradually, followed by flavorings, softeners, and coloring agents. Blending. The mixer combines the ingredients thoroughly, blending them into a uniform dough-like consistency. This process can take several hours, depending on the scale of production and the type of gum being made. Texture check technicians monitor the mixture's texture and consistency throughout the process to ensure it meets quality standards. Adjustments are made if necessary. At the end of this stage, the mixture has the characteristic smell, color, and flavor of bubblegum, but is still warm and not yet in its final form. After mixing, the bubblegum dough is transferred to rolling and shaping machines to create its final shape. This step determines the size, thickness, and form of the gum. Steps: rolling. The warm gum dough is passed through rollers that flatten it into thin sheets. These rollers can be adjusted to achieve the desired thickness. Cutting and shaping. Depending on the type of bubblegum being made, for stick gum, the sheets are cut into long, rectangular strips. For gumballs, the dough is extruded into long ropes and then cut into small, uniform pieces before being shaped into spheres. For pellet gum, the ropes are chopped into small cubes or pillow-shaped pieces. Dusting. To prevent sticking, a fine layer of powdered sugar or cornstarch is applied to the gum pieces as freshly shaped gum is warm and soft, making it difficult to handle. Cooling is an essential step to solidify the gum and give it the right texture for chewing. The gum pieces are placed on conveyor belts that pass through cooling tunnels. These tunnels are temperature-controlled to gradually cool the gum without making it brittle. Once cooled, the gum pieces are inspected for texture and elasticity. Proper cooling ensures the gum is firm yet flexible enough to be chewed and blown into bubbles. Certain types of bubblegum, such as gumballs or pellet gum, require a glossy coating to enhance their appearance and flavor. The gum pieces are placed in a large rotating drum. A mixture of sugar syrup, glaze, and sometimes flavoring is sprayed onto the gum. The coating is applied in multiple thin layers with drying periods between each layer to ensure an even, shiny finish. The final step in coating involves polishing the gum pieces to give them a smooth, glossy surface. The final step in the bubblegum manufacturing process is packaging. Proper packaging is essential for maintaining freshness, ensuring hygiene, and making the product visually appealing to consumers. The gum pieces are sorted by size and shape to ensure uniformity. Depending on the type of gum, stick gum is wrapped in foil or paper. Gumballs and pellet gum are typically packaged in bags, jars, or blister packs. The packages are sealed to prevent contamination and labeled with branding, nutritional information, and expiration dates. The individual packages are placed into larger boxes for shipping to retailers. Throughout the manufacturing process, rigorous quality control measures are in place to ensure that the bubblegum meets industry standards for taste, texture, and safety. These measures include ingredient testing, ensuring that all raw materials meet quality specifications, process monitoring with regular checks on temperature, mixing times, and other critical parameters, and product inspection, where the final product is inspected for uniformity, flavor, and appearance. Modern bubblegum manufacturers are increasingly focused on sustainability and reducing their environmental impact. Initiatives include biodegradable gum bases, developing gum bases that decompose naturally, reducing litter, recycling programs, recycling waste materials generated during production, energy efficiency, using energy-efficient machinery and processes to lower carbon footprints, and sustainable packaging, using recyclable or biodegradable materials for